Good morning and welcome back to my channel. This is a update to a previous segment that I spoke of. I've already updated or amended the soil in this container. This container is going to hold my Ruiz Okra and my peppers. The pepper today I'm going to be planting is the California Wonder. So let's get to it. The Ruiz Okra, and here they are, I got from a fellow YouTuber, Travis, over at Lazy Dog Farms. And I've never grown them before. I actually got them last year, and I didn't plant them. This year I put 2 seeds in each of these 6-cell trays, and as you can see, I only got 3 to come up. So those 3 I'm going to plant. Okay, first one I'm going to put right here. I'm going to go down to about the middle of my hand with a hole. Great root system. Press all the way down. Condense the soil around it. Okay, that's one. I'm going to try to space these out about maybe 7 to 8 inches apart. So in this cell we have 2 plants, so I'm going to gently break them apart. Okay, there's the third one, and here's the second one. Deepen the hole, compress the soil around it, making sure I get all the air out. Okay, second one is planted. And the third one we're going to place right here. Same process, go down. Careful with the roots. Condense the soil around it. Heal up a little soil around the 3. And we're going to place the stake here in this area. Okay, now for the California Wonder. We're going to place it toward the back of the container. Same process with the hole. Take the label out. Place the whole root ball into the hole. Compress the soil around it. And we're going to put the label here. Okay, the okra was started on February 15th, and the California Wonder was started on January 28th. So, as you know, peppers are notoriously slow, so it is just now big enough to up pot. Now we're going to go ahead and do the cucumbers. Okay, we're here at my container for the cucumbers. These are a variety called Excelsior, and here I have my makeshift trellis that I'm going to use. I used this one last season as well for the cucumbers, and I'm going to plant 6 plants around the inside circle of it, and when the plants grow, they can grow up and the vines can grow up and wrap themselves around the top. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to place one here. I think I'm going to try to put those holes in place first. Put one here. One here. And one here. So looks like I may only be able to put 4 on the inside. Good root system. Okay, we're going to place that there for now. Place that one there for now. This one's falling apart some, but I got it. We'll place that one there. That one there. I think for these two, we're just going to place on the outside. So let's take this one, squeezing the sides to get it out of the tray. We're going to set that one there for now. here. Press down in the hole. Compress the soil around it. Mound it up. Okay, that's one. Press down in the hole. Compress the soil around it. Mound it up. Make sure to squeeze all the air out. This one, press down in the hole. Compact the soil around it. Squeeze all the air out. Mound it up. This one, same thing. Pressing down, compacting the soil around it. Mound it up. And last one. Down in the hole. Press the soil around it. Mound it up. Okay, and we're all done with the cucumbers. So I have to water the rest of my plants, so I'm going to water these as well. Well, we got the cucumbers and the okra and the California Wonder all watered in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like producing it and making it for you. If you're interested in any of the seeds or soil or anything that I used in this video, head over to my Amazon storefront, or you can also head over to my website. It'll be listed in both addresses will be listed in the comments section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you choose to do so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and a lot of plants by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. Head over to my Facebook page, Small Space Gardening, and join like-minded individuals such as yourself that enjoy growing vegetables. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a good amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, Stay blessed and grow, grow, grow.